Sometimes you don't need to do much for your wallpaper for it to look great. But depending on what kind of photo you're using, there are some cases where you might want to make it a little darker either on the lock screen or on the home screen. To do that on a Samsung phone, you can unlock the phone first, get on the home screen, and then just press and hold any empty space on your home screen. You'll see this little customizing menu open, and here we're going to tap Wallpaper and Style. You'll see this menu open here, and now you can edit the lock screen and the home screen separately. So I could go to the home screen, for example, and then I can change the photo if I want to choose a different photo. I'm going to keep the same photo and just make it darker. And to make your wallpaper darker, you're going to tap that Effect button on the bottom right corner. I actually have an effect on mine already, but yours might start here where it says Original. And this is actually a good example because I have a nice photo here, but as you can see, it's a little too bright up here in the skies, which causes the weather widget to blend a little too much with the background, making it hard to read. So there are different effects you can apply to your wallpaper, and you can swipe between them. There's a blur effect, there's grayscale, which makes it black and white. You can add a color filter and set it to a custom color if that's something you like, and then at the very end, there's the option to make it darker. And to adjust the darkness, we'll tap the little black color button here. This is basically just a color filter with a black color selected, and then you can slide the opacity slider to make the wallpaper lighter or darker. So you can apply it just a little bit if that's what you need, or you can go like really dark, all the way to black. I think mine looks good when I set it to somewhere in the middle. I'm just going to tap Apply and then tap Done, and that's it. Now if I go to my home screen, we'll see how the wallpaper looks a lot darker. And if you want, you can do the same thing for the lock screen. Tap and hold an empty space, choose Wallpaper and Style, and this time we'll edit the lock screen. Same steps as before. Choose Effect, swipe all the way to the right to the dark option, and then tap your dark color and adjust the darkness to the level that looks good. Apply, Done, and we are all set. And that is how you make your wallpaper darker on Samsung phones. Click that like button if this helped you and subscribe for more. Thanks all, until next time.